Christopher Small here from Emerald City Law Group. Today's Ask a Lawyer show is a great one. And this is something that I get asked all the time. And this question actually was sparked by a happy hour I went to yesterday with some buddies. It's actually the couple guys that helped us find our office space. And it's something that I get asked all the time, and I've never really taken the chance to really get in depth. I figured, why not today? So the question is, what do you do if you're stopped and investigated for DUI? Let's go. When it comes to what to do if you're stopped and investigated for DUI, there are really kind of two different paths that you would go down, depending on how much you'd had to drink, basically, okay? If you had literally one drink or less the whole night, and so you did maybe have some odor of alcohol, but you clearly are not drunk at all, then I would go down this path, which is to literally say, yes, officer, I've had one drink, literally one drink. I would probably decline field sobriety tests. I would decline the breath test out on the scene, but when asked to take the breath test at the police station, I probably would take it. Okay, and the reason is that if you've only had one beer, under the protocols and the science of the breath test machine, you should come out well under, and you should be fine, you should be let go. The reason that I suggest that you don't take the field sobriety tests is that there are a ton of false positives, and any sort of bad things that you do on those tests, they will be used against you. Even if you have a good breath test, you can still be charged with DUI, and they will use those field sobriety tests against you. Same with the portable breath test, the breath test that they would give you out on the road. That test is not admissible in court because it is so unreliable. So why take that chance and provide that test? Okay, so don't do either one of those things. When you get to the station, call an attorney, talk to them for a little while, let them know what's going on. Under those factual circumstances, that probably will suggest that you take the test. Now, let's go down option 2, or road 2. That is, you know you're drunk, or you think you may be drunk. When you find yourself in this scenario, the important thing to remember is that you are not talking your way out of the situation, okay? You are in damage control mode. It's time to do whatever you can to limit the amount of trouble that you're going to get into. And these are the things that I would do to achieve that goal. First of all, do not say that you haven't been drinking. Okay, they can smell alcohol on you. They're going to know that you've been drinking. That part's not rocket science. Instead, I would just decline to answer the question. So the cop says, have you been drinking? I would just say, officer, I don't have to answer that question. I'd prefer not to. He's going to get pissed. That's okay. He's going to ask you to get out of the car, ask you to take field sobriety tests. The answer is no. He's going to ask you to take a portable breath test. The answer is no. He's going to place you under arrest. At that point, you say, attorney, as in, I would like to talk to an attorney. He's going to take you down to the police station. He's going to allow you to talk to an attorney. After you talk to an attorney, I would then say, no, I would not like to take the breath test. The reason that you want to do all these things is that basically what you're trying to do is limit the amount of evidence that the cops can use against you, okay? And by saying no to everything, they don't have much to go on, except for the odor of alcohol. And we all know it's not illegal to drink and drive. So those are the things that I would do. Now, one of the things that the cop says is, hey, if you refuse this test, your license is going to be suspended longer, blah, blah, blah. Well, it's kind of a wash in the grand scheme of things. You just have to trust me on that. What you need to know is when it comes to DUI and the licensing issues, you'll be able to drive the entire time, forever, no matter what, as long as you have an ignition interlock device in your car, and in some circumstances have an ignition interlock license to go along with that. Both of those are provided pretty much to everyone in this situation, so you don't have to worry about not getting that. But again, we're talking about damage control here, all right? So that's what I would do. And then once that gets over, you want to call a lawyer, you want to call somebody to help you, and then use those good decisions that you made to help you get in the least amount of trouble as possible. All right, so that's it. Pretty straightforward. It's pretty much, I'm not going to answer no, 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 or yes, no, 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 yes, depending on whether or not you have actually had too much to drink or not. All right, so hope that helped. If you have questions, you can always email me, chris@emeraldcitylawgroup.com. You can also go on our Facebook page, Emerald City Law Group, or facebook.com/Emerald City Law Group, and you can leave a comment here. You can email me back. You can hit reply. A lot of you will be seeing this on email. You can also call 206-973-0407 anytime. We would love to talk to you. There's no charge for that initial phone call, so light us up. All right, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.